Hello everybody, today is September 8th, Friday. It's 4:11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On my left is the time and sales for the E-mini S&P, currently trading in real time at 24.62 and a quarter. It was a decent day for the auto trader today. First up is the crude oil on the Super Anko 10 tick. We had a pretty solid short trade. As you can see here, there was a small loser and then followed by this short. We went short two contracts at 48.99 and covered at 48.20. That's 79 ticks on the trade on two contracts, and that allowed us to hit our goal of 1,500. We can see our daily goal here with a loss limit of 1,000. That's a 3-to-2 risk ratio. Next up is the E-mini S&P on a Super Renko 6 tick, and this did 575 for the day, which is excellent for the E-mini S&P. There was a small loser to start, and then pretty much up from there. A couple of winners back to back here, a long and a short. And as I've commented many times before, it's very difficult to trade reversals like this in real time via discretion. Okay, another E-mini chart on a Super Renko 6 tick with different settings. The previous chart has fixed targets of 5 ticks, 9 ticks, and then a runner. And it stops trading at 15:45 on Friday. And this other chart here stops trading at 1500 hours. So we got cut short on this short trade. And that gave us 325 for the day. This one also has a slightly different sensitivity and a little bit different trade management. So slightly different settings, still did 325, not too bad. Okay, next up, our E-mini S&P on a precision Renko chart has done pretty good, as we've been showing it for a while now. We had a couple of small losers and then a couple of winners here. It did 425 for the day. It's quite good for two contracts. The bonds on the Super Renko 6 tick had some volatility in its trading today, but still ended up at 375 on the plus side of the ledger. This is going for short profit targets, limit order at the close of the bar, and targets of 3 and 4 ticks. So interesting setup here, and ended up with a respectable 375 for the day. Next up is another Super Renko 6 tick chart. This one did 270, and what's different about this one is that it has fixed targets of 12 and 14 ticks, and it's a limit order at the close of the bar with 3 ticks pullback. And again on Friday, well, actually every day, it stops trading at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So again, it got cut short here. Otherwise, it would have had a larger return for the day. Okay, our E-mini S&P on a Super Renko 4 tick with a higher time frame did $100 for the day. We got chewed up a little bit here. Shortly after the noon hour, there were some good trades here, but we had an equity high of probably close to $500, and then we gave some back and actually drew down 100 and then came back with a winning trade to be 100 on the plus side of the ledger. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit us at bluewavetrading.com or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thank you for watching.